Yes, ma'am.
This is library database. This is the biggest database. So that is why I told you, and it covers quite a lot number of books from social science. Okay. In library, you can browse by subject also. And in subject, if you go to see fiction, social science, education is there. One second. Education. And within education also, see here, education subject. Within education also, if you click on show education, show more, then these are the sub areas in which the main topic education is divided. So education administration is there, education counseling is there, inclusive education is there, psychology is there. So, and from here, many, actually 80 to 90% books are open access books. You all can access those. So you want me to open any book or show you, or you want me to search for any title, then tell me. Do you want me to give specific search, specific to
Uh,
search on specific topic?
yeah, computer science.
Computer science.
Yeah.
Computer science is not part of education, teacher education.
Okay, okay. No, yeah, I guess I saw it outside when you were
You
selecting
can
education. Yeah,
you can
exactly.
search.
Yeah,
If not on this, you are going to learn 4 5 different kind of data. Enlist was one among them. And this is like price database. All others are free databases, but they are very good. Like Enlist, Google Scholar, Eric. You all might be knowing these names, but how to search on that? We are going to see on NDLI, National Digital Library of India. That is initiative of our Human Resource Ministry and IIT Kharagpur. Through that, many computer science books are available. So we can search on that, and we will see how to log into that, all that. But before that, now we are in Enlist library. So from library, do you want to library education? You can search computer science also if you want. I will go out to computer science, general health and medicine. Computer science will be science in tech and technology. Okay, computer science, here it is. So I am not a computer science graduate, so I really don't have any idea about the subtopics in computer science. So here are the subtopics on which you want to read the book. Computer,
okay, ma'am. Got it. Got it.
got it, na? Here are
Yeah,
the subtopics given, and
yeah,
many
yeah.
books. See, wherever this arrow you can see na, it
Mm-hmm.
is downloadable. Suppose I want to click this book. Okay. So let's now, you all are from teacher education background, right? You all are
Yes, yes.
teachers. Okay. Huh. So if I want to download the whole book, actually I have told you not to download the whole book. And I
Hmm.
think certain software is required. When we click on this, they tell you to go to certain software or something. But please don't do that. Never download. It is against copyright. It never download full book at a time, cover to cover. You should download by, you should leave some pages. So this copyright page, preliminary pages, you can leave in between also. And at a time, means in a day, don't download in single day. Complete book you should not download. So always make a folder on your desktop and now download chapter by chapter. Don't go for this option. Otherwise, it, because none of the database of gives you that facility to download uh, full book, because it is against copyright. So why to go against copyright? Other options are available. Do it chapter by chapter. Okay. If you want to download, if I can download this chapter for you, then click on download. You can read online also. See, ready for download, then you can click on download. Lot of crows outside.
They are enjoying in the rain, ma'am.
And that is why I wanted to actually connect my this thing hands free, but I don't know what problem is there. See, show in folder, then it will show me that folder. See, here it is downloaded. I can copy paste that on my desktop. Okay. Do you want me to give any keyword search? Keyword search in the sense, suppose you are writing any assignment or you are preparing for your subject. So you are not getting any reference material to prepare for that subject. So do you want me to give that way search? Can anybody tell me one of the topic from your syllabus to search?
Social stratification, maybe.
Social stratification.
In risk.
Huh? Derived? What it is? Derived? Let's see social stratification. Okay. In education also we can search, or directly in eBrary, advanced search or simple search also we can search. I will give simple search. Social and where I want that word social stratification, that it doesn't ask me here. Now in simple search, it doesn't ask me. When you go inside, then you can limit your search. These are the titles in which the word social stratification appears in the title itself. So these might be useful to you all. And then you can limit your search by years, then subject. In social stratification also, now the database is showing you have got 25,590 results, but of course you are not going to read all these. So how to limit your search? Social stratification in which subject? So education maybe, right? Am I right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
On education, then only 785 options are available now. Okay. Or maybe social science also I will select. Educational psychology or philosophy, whatever you want to, maybe higher education also. Whatever is related, you can click here. Okay. Of course, medical and all those things are not at all related to your search. Social science.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And some of them are saying in the group that they are not able to get into the meeting.
Because 8 participants I can see here, and whoever is coming, I'm admitting them. 1 second, I'll check.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
They might be clicking on the first link.
Okay.
Manju, is Manju there? Manju? No. You all can post to her. So she should click on second link. So now you all know, now these books are very, very relevant to you. I have clicked not only education, education comes under social science also. So I clicked those options also, so as to get the most relevant hits. Okay. So here, as I have told you earlier also, for searching techniques, there is no shortcut or no straightaway formula. You have to keep on experimenting, and while experimenting, you have to keep on giving different keywords, different combinations, and while doing that, you may arrive at your perfect search query. Okay, so these books may be of use to you all. Okay, you also can go through this list, and you also can click few more topics. Education curriculum. This way you can expand now your search, because when I gave only education, so it was not at all showing me social stratification in titles, right? If you have observed carefully, that is why I again expanded my search. Then I thought of other areas in education, and education comes in social science. When I click those areas, then it is showing me again. Okay. So here also now, whatever 1510 books it is showing, these are in which subjects it is showing. So you can select the subject as per your need, and you can see only those books. Anything else you want me to show? Nobody has now any query regarding, please ask, because first of all, though, this is lockdown and your course is distance course, so there are very less chances of meeting with you all in person. So whatever queries are there, you have to get it cleared online in online way only. So that is why you please ask. So no
Ma'am, I missed my earlier session. So for Shodh Ganga also, do we have to go through Enlist or directly Google search Shodh Ganga?
Shodh Ganga, I will show you. See, in your course, we are going to teach you few databases. That those are Enlist. Enlist is proprietary, that is priced one. Then Google Scholar. Eric is specially for education. It offers some of its content free and some we need to buy. So whatever is free, we can get access to it and use it. Okay. So then DOAJ, Directory of Open the Access Journals. Okay. Then DOAB is also there, Directory of Open Books. That is also there. So these few databases we are going to show you. Among them, one is very important source is Shodh Ganga. Shodh Ganga is again made available for us by InflibNet, by government, UGC, Government of India. I will show you now. I haven't taken any session of Shodh Ganga. I have forwarded you a video how to access Shodh Ganga. Now if you want, that is a different database. If somebody from among you are doing any research or they want to go for further education, MPhil or PhD, then you may have to refer to many theses in your subject area, whatever subject you have chosen. You suppose in that, first of all, you want to know how much in-depth research has been done till now in this area. So you have to go through different PhD thesis in India also, abroad also. Earlier how it was, because no such repositories were available, then suppose I'm doing any research in citation analysis, then literally I would have to search, and I have to ask many people in which university this research had been done, and then I had to go personally to that university, approach to that library, and I have to stay over there, and then I have to read those theses. Now technology had made everything very simpler and at fingertip for all of us. Now all the theses are available to us through Shodh Ganga, and sitting at home, you all can see through Shodh Ganga, you all can see in your subject what has been already done and what is the scope to be done further, to go further in that research area. So now let's see Shodh Ganga. Many of you might have already seen the video how to access Shodh Ganga. Let's see again. Shall I show again? I'm asking you, shall I show again?
Ma'am, if it's there in the video, I'll see it later. Maybe I've missed out. I'll just see it later.
Others, the last video, I think seventh video, I guess, 7th or 8th.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Others want to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we will see.
Because you explained it very nicely, ma'am.
No problem at all. This session is meant for that, and maybe this session will end in some time. Please click on the same link because it's a recurring session. Okay, if it ends today, within some time. Okay, then we will log out of. I will log out of this thing, Enlist. No problem regarding Enlist now. Okay, before going to Shodh Ganga, we should see JSTOR also. You can see HW Wilson.
Yes, ma'am. Jester, if we can have for 5 minutes.
And then we will close, and then
Yes,
we will,
ma'am.
okay, we will do that.
Yes,
Okay?
yes, ma'am. Yeah.
JSTOR, I told you this is very good database. Okay, and I think I have shared video of mine with you all for this. Okay, this is JSTOR, a simple search window. Okay, now in every database we can browse by subject also. See, here also we can browse by subject. Huh? Like in eBrary, here also you can browse by subject, but education, maybe in arts, no. Law, arts and humanities, no. Here in social sciences, education is there. So let's see what is the difference. There in eBrary, see, every database has some different features. There in eBrary, what they have done, in education also, they have further classified the topics, and that was made much more simpler for you. Okay, but here in JSTOR, they have not done that way. They have directly classified education into two groups, journals and books. So from education, 176 journals are available through JSTOR, and if I click on book, 3,407 books are available. Okay, and among those also, if you go to see, all books are not full text available. If I click on, I will just click on this and I'll see whether this is available or not. But wherever open access is written in green, that is fully open access book, and you can access that, even you can download that 100% also, because it is open access. So no copyright issues regarding that. So if I try to download any other book where open access is not written, I also have to see. One sec, I will try downloading whether it is allowing me or it is asking me for price or something. Okay, your institution does not have access to this book on JSTOR, so it is not giving me access. So wherever from JSTOR, wherever in green color open access is written, though only those publications are available. This is when you go by subject wise, but you can always, and this is one kind of actually these people should not do this, and we librarians will take this issue to InflibNet, because if you don't want to give access, then don't show also. They are using this platform to advertise their publications, so it should not happen. Okay, they can do it, but up to some extent, like in 100 titles, they are giving access to 2 or 3 titles. It should not happen. So the issue will be resolved very soon. Then I told you, you can also, this what we saw how to search, how to browse by subject. Browsing in the sense as if we go to library and we go to subject cupboards. Oh, this is education, this is ethics, like that. So it's subject wise we are going. But when we are preparing for any research paper or any research document or any seminar, writing assignment, that time we have topics ready in our mind and we want to search on those topics only. That time we should not browse by subject. That time we should either use this simple search window or advanced search window. Okay, and how to search on for every database, how to give search queries. There are some rules regarding that. And about JSTOR on internet, there are documents available. Search tips, JSTOR search tips. And in groups, I have given the links for those documents. You can, one-page document is there, and you can go through that, and that will help you out. If you read that properly, that will help you out to form your search query properly, so as to get the exact what you want. Okay, so now what you want me to search on JSTOR? Please give me something from your syllabus. Give me some topic from your syllabus. Please, somebody unmute your mic and give me one topic from your syllabus.
I'm in the assignment. We get the question that challenges in teaching method
Teaching
and
methods. Okay. Huh.
yeah, of your own in your
Acha,
own
okay,
method, I think.
I have given,
So
I only have given that.
yeah,
Okay.
yes. So and in that subject wise, it's given in history, science. So we can search all 2-3 subjects in a one search, or we have to search particular one topic, means
So,
challenges
so
in teaching method of mathematics,
yes, yes.
like that only, no? We have to do. Okay,
Suppose
okay, because
in your school, you are teaching maths. You
yeah.
are a maths teacher. Then you have to search
Okay,
challenges in teaching maths. Okay.
okay, okay,
Uh, Suppose your main subject for teaching is science, then challenges in teaching science. Suppose somebody is teaching geography. So I have given only 4 examples, but whatever is your method, accordingly you should search. So it was a kind of assignment given. So shall I show you how to search that? Shall I show you?
yes, ma'am. We have. I have tried. Like, I just want to know whether I have done it properly or no. So if it's possible, because it's an assignment, that's why I'm just asking, ma'am.
Let it be its beginning. Our main motto is you should know searching through all these resources, because you don't have access to library now. Okay.
Oh,
Uh,
okay, ma'am.
Suppose, what is your method, ma'am? Means which subject do you teach?
No, ma'am, I'm not teaching. I'm just a student only, ma'am.
But you might have done B.Ed. What was your method?
No, ma'am. BA in education I've done.
So there are no methods. Okay, suppose you are a
No.
maths teacher. Suppose you are a
Okay.
maths teacher, because I have done my B.Ed in maths. Okay. So challenges in teaching mathematics. Here you can give challenges in maths teaching or teaching mathematics, whatever. Okay. This is simple search window. Okay, see here, it has taken every word as a keyword. Challenges, teaching, and maths. Separately it has taken. So it is giving me journal article regarding challenges in teaching music. Okay, it may give me maths also, maths view. Here I may get challenges in teaching maths also. But why to go for advanced search now, do you know? Because when we give simple search, it is taking every word as keyword. So it will search all those articles which are talking just about challenges, any kind of challenges. So those articles also it will retrieve, or those articles which are talking only about mathematics and nothing related to challenges and teaching. So those also will get retrieved, and teaching also. But how I want it to be, everything together. I specifically want challenges in teaching mathematics. So that is why we always should opt for advanced search. Now you got it. Sometimes you may get
Yes, ma'am.
using simple search also, but always it is preferable to go for advanced search. So,
Advanced search is, yes.
yes. So now there are 342 articles retrieved. Among those, some may be talking about maths, but वो अंदर कहीं होंगे. We can see here if mathematics is there in subjects, and we can restrict our search by that way also, or we have to go management is there, mathematics is there. So if I click on mathematics, then it might show me challenges in teaching mathematics. Maths view, maths film, platform, values of mathematics. Now it is showing me maths teaching, but not challenges. Okay. Oh no, what we this is talking about challenges in mathematics. Okay. You are one sec. This is also talking about challenges in mathematics. Somebody's mic is on. Somebody wants to ask. Just try to keep your mic off if you don't want to ask anything, please. Okay. So some articles are really very relevant. Can you see here? Are you really challenging your children to think during their maths lessons. So this also might be useful. Okay. Maths resources, this will be useful. Have we really thought about GCSE maths? So this may be talking about GCSE maths challenges, teaching maths challenges. Now, this is talking about history and maths. So in simple search also, using these filters, we can restrict our search and get specific results, but not always. So better to always go for advanced search. So now you saw how to do simple search on JSTOR. I will go now for advanced search. This is advanced search window of JSTOR. Okay. Now here I have to give my keywords. So I give maths. I will give only math because mathematics में H के बाद S तुरंत नहीं आता है. So it should take mathematics also. Challenges in teaching mathematics also it should take. So that is why I will write only math. Okay. And where I want, preferably I want that in my title. Okay. Then teaching. Also, this also I want in, let's see, first we will search for title, and if we don't get anything, then we have to see in abstract or in all fields. First of all, we will say in titles. Okay. Then I want to add one more search box. Okay. Click on this, one more search box will get added. And here, if you can see, I think before 2-3 days, I have forwarded you one PPT. In that PPT, that PPT was search techniques PPT. And in that, I have given you somebody's mic, Nita Verma, mic is, Nita Verma, mic is on. Okay. In that PPT, I have given you different type of search techniques, which will be useful for various databases. And I might have told you, because I really don't know whether I have conducted the session or not. I think I have conducted the session with SYBR students, not with you. But those are like ABCD. If you know ABCD properly, then you can write language. You can read any book. You can read any, write anything. Okay. So knowing ABCD is very mandatory. If you don't know the ABCD, then you can't read anything, can't write anything. These search techniques, whatever in PPT I have forwarded you, those techniques are ABCD of searching skills. If you know those 4-5 techniques, then you can search on any of the database. See, font style of any book, different books is different. Their writing pattern, literature pattern is different. But if you know ABCD, you can read any book. Like that, search platform of every database is little different. But if you know that basic search, those basic search techniques, then you can easily search through all the databases. In that basic search techniques PPT, I have given you logical operators. There are 3 logical operators: and, or, and not. Okay. What and does, what or does, these are logical operators. If you click on this now, see, and, or, not. And what is this? Near 5, near 10, near 25. Let's see. Okay. And will do what you know. Suppose I want to search for this thing, pollution. And here I will give air and water. Okay. Or else air pollution and water pollution. And in between here, if I choose and, then it will give me articles which will talk about both the pollutions, water as well as air. And if I choose or, then what it will do? It will retrieve those articles which will be either talking about water pollution or talking about air pollution, or maybe some articles will be talking about both the pollutions. Okay, and what not does. If I say pollution, here if I say pollution, then I select not, and here if I say water, means how I have given search, pollution not water, means that time the database will retrieve all other kinds of pollution, but strictly not water pollution. It will give me hits regarding air pollution, land pollution, light pollution, everything. But it will strictly not give me, if I have written here pollution not water, then it won't give me any hit regarding water pollution. Then what, getting it now? Somebody please unmute mic and tell me, getting it? You can experiment all these things. And
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
okay, and
Yes,
these,
ma'am.
okay, and these things I have given in the PPT with example also, and whatever I have given in examples, you all can try that on this platform and see the results. Okay. Then
Ma'am, PPT we didn't receive. I didn't receive the PPT, ma'am, regarding this and or.
What is your name, ma'am?
Ma'am, Brijula. You have
Brijula.
uploaded in that. Yes, ma'am.
On the group, MA Information Literacy group.
Okay, because regarding that star, we have to put star something, that Word file I have received, but not the PPT. I just recheck it once again. Or ma'am, if it's possible that you can please resend this PPT after completing this session, ma'am.
Yes, I will do that, but I think I have sent PPT only. Okay.
Okay.
And that is not at all difficult. I will resend. Okay. What is this near 5? Okay. Suppose I want to search water pollution, articles on water pollution. Okay. So every time they will not go on writing water pollution in wherever they want to write water pollution, they will not, they may say the pollutants which are affecting water. So pollution, there are somewhere pollutants. So the word is similar to pollution. Okay, some alphabets are common in pollution and pollutant. And then after 2-3 words, the word water is there. So in between pollution or pollutant or water, there are 3 other words. Okay. If the space or gap between the 2 keywords is more, then there are less chances of being that article relevant. मतलब हमारे 2 keywords में जितनी गैप बढ़ जाती है आर्टिकल में, उतनी अपने नीड से उसकी रिलेवेंसी कम हो जाती है. ओके, जितने जो मेरे दोनों कीवर्ड्स वाटर एंड पोल्यूशन इफ आई गिव एज कीवर्ड, वो आर्टिकल में जितने एक दूसरे के क्लोज प्रॉक्सिमिटी में रहेंगे, उतना मुझे मिला हुआ आर्टिकल उतना ज्यादा रिलेवेंट रहेगा. ओके, so for that it gives us proximity of the keywords. So how I want now maths and teaching. If I'm searching something regarding maths and searching, and if I give near 5, okay, and if I submit my search, then it will try to search those articles in which maths and teaching are away from each other by either 1, 2, 3 or 4 words. Got it? Yes or no? Please, somebody tell me. Huh? Got it? See here, maths, his passion, teaching, his life. Okay. So here in maths and teaching, there are in between 2 words. So this article is talking about maths teaching. So relevant to my need. Okay. And ये proximity क्यों दिया है? Suppose database है, इसमें thousands of lakhs of articles will be there. And if I give maths and teaching, it may give you any article where maths is there on first page and teaching is there on last page, and in between 1000 pages are there. Then will that article be relevant to you? No, not at all. It is not talking about maths teaching. It may be talking about maths in some other relevance and teaching in some other relevance, because those two words are not in close proximity to each other. Because we are not talking to a librarian while asking something. We are talking to machine, through machine or through softwares. We are retrieving our articles, whatever we want. So machine should understand. While talking to librarian, you can make her understand, I want regarding this, so please tell me where I can get this. But to make machine understand, these Boolean operators are used. So if we give near 5, near 10, then machine will understand that you want the articles in which these two words are close to each other by these many words in between. Okay. और जितना हम लोग proximity कम देंगे उतना relevancy बढ़ेगा, obviously. Got it? See here also, maths, anxiety teaching. So maths and teaching, these two words are only one word in between. See, this article is also talking about maths, anxiety, teaching to avoid it. So this is also talking about difficulties in challenges in teaching mathematics. So this is one answer to your assignment. Okay, teaching maths more effectively. This article will also talk about the challenges in teaching mathematics first, and then it will tell you how to teach it more effectively. If you want to, you can click on it, download, and see how it is giving you the things. Okay, and in your assignments, I have also told you, give one simple search, and then while giving simple search, you take one screenshot, copy paste that screenshot on Word file, right? And give one advanced search. By that also, take one screenshot, and on the same Word file, you have to copy paste that other screenshot. Okay, and that Word file you have to submit through assignment. And the second question is, you have to cite any two documents which are relevant to your question. So question was difficulties in teaching mathematics or challenges in teaching mathematics. So how to cite that? Here in every database, somewhere cite option is there. See, here it is. And why to cite that day, I have told you all. Because we are copying somebody's ideas. We are reading ideas. These ideas are not generated in our brain. Somebody has written those ideas in these books, and we are copying those ideas. And according to copyright laws, these ideas belongs to him or her, and we are using his intellectual to complete our assignments, to learn whatever. So it's our moral duty to acknowledge their efforts, to acknowledge their knowledge, and that is why we are in higher education now. We should have that habit of citing everything. Every single line you took from somewhere, you have to cite that in bibliography or references, and also in in-text citation. Okay, so how to do that? Here in education, we use American Psychological Style, APA. You have to just copy this and paste it in the Word file. Wherever you have answered your assignment, you have to paste it over there. In my assignment, I'm talking about your regular area. Now in my assignment, you have to copy paste. Somebody's mic is on. Vijaya Lakshmi. Okay, you have to copy paste this. Copy this APA citation, style citation in question number 2 का answer. Vijaya Lakshmi, mic is on.
अच्छा, आपको explanation दीजिए.
Please put off the mic. Mic is on, ma'am Vijaya Lakshmi. Okay. Then I have told you to cite 2 articles. So what you have to do, you have to just copy this, paste over there, wherever in assignment I have provided. Paste. Other article and take that citation. Somebody's mic is on. It's really very disturbing. Lakshmi ma'am, please switch off your mic. If you want to ask something, then ask. Okay. Now we will again go to our search. Okay. Here there is option for modify search. If I click on this, it will take me to my search window again. So what we were searching, maths teaching challenges in maths. I want to add one more. Students, I'm telling you how to answer your assignment, right? Okay. First of all, I will select item title so as to get the most relevant. If I couldn't get, then I will select other things. Okay. So now you know what is and what is or. So I want the articles which will have all three of them, all three these words. Maths also, teaching also, and challenges also. That is why I have selected maths. I think you are not on the chair. Please.
Ma'am, you can mute her.
Thank you. So let's search now. Submit advanced search. This is the option. And before submitting, you can again narrow your search. If you want articles only in English language, obviously, so I can do that. Language. Okay. If I want articles only after 2000, okay, to 2020, sometimes while doing your research, it is mandatory to use the most recent articles. Okay, then if you know the specific ISBN, specific book or journal title, you can give it over here, and this way you can limit your search. Okay, now my whatever search query I wanted to give, it is complete, and I have to click on submit my advanced research. So let's see if it is giving us some no results found. So as I have told you earlier, then we have to modify our search. We will say, instead of title, we will say all fields. Okay. And we will add one more search box here, challenges. I will only say challenge. And in teaching also, I will only say teach. Why? You know, some articles may be talking about challenges of maths teachers, challenges for maths teacher, okay, not teaching. So that is why it should get those articles also. That is why whichever alphabets are common in teaching and teacher, teach is common. So I kept that. In maths and mathematics, math is common. So I kept that. Challenges and challenge. What is common? Challenge. So I kept that. Okay. So let's see now what is given us, what it is giving us. I'm sorry, I have added one more box. I have to submit my. One second, there is some message on the group. Trupti is telling, Trupti and Manju, please let me, Trupti is not there. Please ask her on the group.
I have entered now. It was earlier. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, math, science, technology in early grades. So, reality maths. This will definitely talk about challenges. Students' motivation for standardized maths exam. This also will talk about little bit about challenges in teaching learning mathematics. Tech math in laboratory. Okay, so maths promise, celebrating at home and school. This will also talk about challenges. This will also talk. Math abuse students. Are we prepared to teach them? Okay, this is so definitely talking about challenges. Okay, so now you know by making use of advanced search how to get most relevant hits. Okay, you can make your search more specific also. See how you have given your search. Whatever I have selected now, database has made a search query out of it. It is maths in bracket and teach in bracket, then one bracket for all of that, and then and challenge. So this is called a search query. So it has whatever we have selected in advanced search window, it has automatically created a search query out of it. Okay, so if I again want to be more specific, then I can select education. I can select mathematics also from here. Then I will see less number of articles. Okay, mathematics. Alphabetical it is. Mathematics. Okay. So now if you go to see, you will now 13,000. Earlier there were, I think, 15,000. If you want only journal articles, then click on journals. If you want to read book chapters also, then click on book chapters. Okay. And if you want to see all content, then all content. And if you want to see specific content which is only open access, openly available, then click on that. Okay. Now I think the doubt is clear. Any other doubt?